This video will cover the topic, solving a decimal word problem using a linear inequality with the variable on both sides. Let's take a look at our given problem, and then we will figure out how to solve it. Nicole is going to rent a truck for one day. There are two companies she can choose from, and they have the following prices. Company A charges an initial fee of $50 and an additional 60 cents for every mile driven. Company B charges an initial fee of $68 and an additional 40 cents for every mile driven. For what mileages will Company A charge no more than Company B? Write your answer as an inequality using m for the number of miles driven. We might look at this and be somewhat frightened at all these words, but let's break it apart. Let's first make a mathematical expression for the charge of the truck from Company A. Our initial fee is $50, and there's an additional 60 cents cost for every mile driven. Using m as a variable, how should we write this expression?
Well, I think it's 50 plus something. Perhaps 50 plus 0.6 m, because it is 60 cents multiplied by every mile?
Yes, that's exactly right. That's our charge for Company A. So now we will write an expression for the charge of Company B. Using the given information, what should it be?
If it's the same steps as I took before, then it should be 68 plus 0.4 m, right?
Yes, now we need to set these two expressions into an inequality. The question we have is, for what mileages will Company A charge no more than Company B? This means that we need to solve for m that will make it so that the cost of Company A is equal to or less than the cost of Company B, but not any more than B.
Then our inequality is 50 plus 0.6 m is less than or equal to 68 plus 0.4 m.
Exactly. Now we just have to do algebra to solve for m. So the first step we could take is to subtract 50 on both sides. Which will leave us with 0.60m is less than or equal to 18 plus 0.40m. Then we could subtract 0.4m from here. To get m alone on this side, leaving us with 0.20m is less than or equal to 18. We divide by 0.2 on both sides to get m alone on the left side. We're left with m is less than or equal to 90. This means that when the truck is driven no more than 90 miles, Company A will charge no more than Company B.
Okay, so I figure out my expressions for each part of the problem, make an inequality for them both, and then solve for the variable?
Correct. Good job.